Evaluate log base 3 of 1 over 243. All right, whenever I'm being asked to evaluate and it's not an equation, I'm making an equation by setting it equal to x. Why do I do this? So I can compare it to the original log definition, where log base b of y equals x can be turned into b to the x equals y. Now that I have this information, I could say, all right, well, b is 3 and y is that fraction, x is still x. And so I can write out 3 to the x power equals 1 over 243. Now, right now, you're like, what do I do? Well, first things first, if you have 3 to the x power and this is just the beginning of logs and stuff like that, chances are that number right there can be written as 3 to the something power. And it can. This happens to be 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, 5 times. So that's 1 over 3 to the fifth. Now, we're not quite done yet. What I want to do is I want to make this look like 3 to the x equals 3 to the something. That's not what we have. This is 3 to the x equals 1 over 3 to the something. So I'm going to turn this into 3 to the x equals, why don't I move that up and make the exponent negative, 3 to the negative fifth. Now the same base rule says that if 3 to the x equals 3 to the negative fifth, then x just equals negative 5. So x equals negative 5. Now I'm not going to circle x equals negative 5 because technically x wasn't in the original problem, so I'll just say negative 5 is going to be my answer. So after doing all of that, log base 3 of 1 over 243 is negative 5, baby.